Hello guys, and welcome back to Unit 3. And Unit 3, as I've already mentioned on our previous video, we will be focusing on the background. um, so as we'll be focusing on the background I don't think is a very hard thing to try and master. It's very simple, very straightforward thing to master, and it won't like take you a lot of your time. And let me just fix this one last thing here. I felt like I need to fix. I think it will look great. Yeah, now it looks great. So let's get our background. So going to our background, I'll just teach you a couple of things before we go deep. So getting a background is just like going like this and going to this composition layer. So from this composition layer, we will just try to animate our background. Then we'll also be doing a couple of things just to make sure our background is perfect. Then another thing I will just also be drawing those small things in there. Those are the sky, a little bit of like how I'll animate the sky, and how I will draw. Those are called filaments. You don't have to draw them when you're drawing this, but I'll show you all of that as time goes by. And yeah, see you on the next episode, guys. Hope like you're ready for Unit 3. And it is very an interesting course. It is a very interesting part of the series because you are trying to get everything. Now you're taking all the knowledge which you learn and putting it together. So bless. See you on the next episode.